Relevant, relatable, and reliable information from full-time RVers. This unit is 21 feet long, 7 feet wide, 8 feet 7 inches high, with an interior height of 6 foot 7 inches, and weighs 2,900 pounds, meaning most small trucks and SUVs can tow it. The Camp Rover's chassis is constructed of powder-coated tubular steel, which adds strength and resistance to rust and corrosion. The frame sidewalls are constructed of aluminum and foam block insulation, which is lighter and stronger than wood, and unlike wood, isn't susceptible to rot and mildew. The roof of the Camp Rover is constructed of a seamless one-piece fiberglass piece and insulated with foam block insulation. The Camp Rover sidewalls are constructed of Azdel paneling. Azdel is 50% lighter than wood, provides 3 times the insulation value of wood, is sound absorbing, and more resistant to mold, rot, and water damage. This unit even comes with a rear receiver to attach various accessories like storage and bike racks. You'll also find modern Euro-style insulated dual-paned acrylic windows on the Camp Rover. A front and back keder rail, which provides for use of aftermarket screen rooms, visors, and awnings. This unit comes with 15-inch premium tires. Magnetic latch storage doors. Inside the Camp Rover, you'll find an 8-inch deep stainless steel kitchen and 2-burner glass top stove. The Camp Rover is equipped with a 3-way 4 cubic foot refrigerator. This unit also comes standard with its own microwave for cooking or making a quick cup of hot coffee. Enjoy a hot shower anywhere with your very own wet bath shower and 6-gallon propane or electric heated quick recovery water heater. Cool down with a 3-speed fantastic fan. And if that's not enough, you have an 8,000 BTU air conditioner, and the 16,000 BTU furnace will take the nip out of any cold night. The Camp Rover has a residential queen-size bed, and there's an option available which allows the dinette to convert into 2 27-inch by 81-inch bunk beds. The Camp Rover comes with a radio, CD, and Bluetooth entertainment center. And just in case you wanted to watch that game, the Camp Rover is pre-wired for TV. The Camp Rover is a 30-amp RV and comes with a 20-gallon freshwater tank, 9-gallon black tank, and 14-gallon gray tank.
Now I'm standing inside what may look like our little guy Max, but it is actually the new Camp Rover. A lot of people want the look of this adorable little camper, but not the price tag. Well, little guy Max has come up with an alternative for you, and you can fit extra people with this really cool bunk bed. Come on inside. So you'll notice a few big differences between the little guy Max and the Camp Rover. The big stargazing window is gone, and the front window is gone as well. But in its place, you have these cool new bunk beds. You also have all the great finishing in here that is typical of what you find in the little guy Max. The only other big thing that's different is your AC unit is now located on the floor instead of on the rooftop. One other important note, this is actually lighter than the little guy Max. This is coming in at only 2,900 pounds dry weight. The Camp Rover is outfitted with a Dometic 3-way fridge, as well as a high-point microwave. The Camp Rover also is outfitted with a full wet bath with plenty of room, and you have your fan.
MSRP on this unit is $24,995.